is a policy? What is a company policy? What is the characteristic of a company's policy?
I think it's like a rule that a company establish.
Yep. That's what it is. It's a rule that a company establishes in order to use a company's resource. Another thing important about a policy, guys, is that it is very, very difficult to change a company's policy. It's not written in rock, so it could be changed, but very, very difficult endeavor. Very difficult because you need approvals from all management levels. Because that's why it's called a policy. It's like this is non-negotiable. But it could be if there is enough evidence to support that it should be addressed or updated. So now we know what is a policy. Okay, cool. What is a procedure then? A procedure is the process, isn't it? It's the guideline that will tell you in detail how to use a company's resource. So the procedure is the set of steps for you to use a company's resource. The policy is the title of that action. When you do social media strategy in a company, you need to ask the company, where is the social media policies and procedures? Are you getting this? And if the company tells you, no, we don't have one, then what is that you need to do? You're ready, you got a job as a marketing person in a company. The company is asking you to do a social media strategy. Then you need to ask straight away the company, all right, where can I find social media policy and procedures for this company? If the company tells you, no, we don't have one, what is that you need to do then? Who can answer that question to me?
The first action that we have to do is create a new one, no?
And that is the point. So this is critical that you remember, because it's going to happen to you or may happen. You know, you get a job in marketing.
Obviously, I think it's responsibility for the management, but at the same time, my responsibility if I know that I can help with this process, I think so.
Exactly, because management, probably this is a small company, medium size, probably they don't know that they need this. So you will tell them, okay, I can do the social media strategy, but before we need to develop the social media policy and procedures for this company. And you know what will happen, Sebastian? They will tell you, thank you, Sebastian. That's why you're here. That's why we hired you. We didn't know that. And you will go, all right, cool. So I'm going to develop a team and some meetings. And the idea is to have a micro project to have the social media procedures and policies in 2 months. Once we have the policy, then we can do the strategy. And they will tell you, thank you, Sebastian. That's why we hire you, because you know what to do. And that is the purpose of this class. The purpose of this class is not to do social media. No, I mean, oh, the class is about social media. No, the class is not about social media. The class is about how to implement a social media plan and strategy in a company. Different. This is not about how you use Facebook or how you open a Twitter account. No.